What were you doing over here? With the pump? Why are you standing on the dining room table? More importantly, why am I videotaping it, thusly encouraging it? Yep. Cause that. Boom. What? What's sorry? Why are you sorry? Why? You sorry what? Wait, come here. Why are you sorry? I love you. You love Mom?
Yep.
Yep. Look at that. Right there. I'll show this to your boyfriend. What about the ducky? Uh-oh. Frog. Move your foot. Oh, today you're 23 months old. Say frog.
Frog.
And clock.
Clock.
And red.
Red.
What other colors?
Purple.
Purple. What else?
Pink.
Pink. High five. Woo. What else?
Yellow.
Yellow. High five. What else?
Purple.
You said purple. How about blue?
Blue.
And green?
Green.
And white?
White.
High five. Woo! What else? Can you count?
Cut.
1.
1.
What's after 1? 2.
2.
3. Sydney. 3.
5.
4. 5.
5.
6.
6.
7.
8.
8. 9.
9.
10.
10.
Yay! Okay. What else?
Purple.
What's purple?
Pink.
Pink?
Purple.
No, you're gonna fall.
Purple.
Sydney.
Purple.
What's purple? Can you blow kisses?